ഇത് മറ്റേത് കാട്ടുപോത്തതിൻ്റെ കൊമ്പ്. ആദ്യകാലത്ത് മറ്റേ ഇതില്ലായിരുന്നു, എന്താണ്, ബോട്ടിലില്ലാത്ത സമയത്ത് തേനും പിന്നെ തലയ്ക്ക് നിൽക്കുന്ന എണ്ണയും ഇതാണ് സൂക്ഷിക്കുക ആദ്യകാലത്ത് വയനാട്ടിൽ. ഇത് അറപ്പാന്ന് പറയും, കാട്ടിലേക്ക് മേയാൻ വിടുന്ന കന്നാലികൾ. തട്ടാന്ന് പറയും, അറപ്പാന്ന് പറയും.
പുതിയ സ്റ്റാഫ് വരുമ്പോൾ വി ക്യാൻ ബ്രീഫ് ദം.
ഇതാണ് രാധാകൃഷ്ണൻ.
അതെല്ലേ,
മൂപ്പരുടെ സ്ഥലമാണ് ആ ഭാഗം. പാക്കത്തൊക്കെ പോയില്ലേ, അത് മൂപ്പര് ഏരിയ രാധാകൃഷ്ണേട്ടൻ്റെ. ഇതാണ്
ഗന്ധകശാല റൈസ്.
നമ്മളെടുത്തോളാം.
ഗന്ധകശാല റൈസ്.
അത്
ചേമ്പ്.
ഇതൊരു ബിരിയാണിയുടെ ഒരു സ്മെല്ല്.
അതിൽ അത് വെറുതെ കഞ്ഞി അരിൻ്റെ സ്മെല്ലാണ് അത്.
This is a very famous rice. They made it their own field, and it is called Gandhakashala.
So Gandhakashala is like basically refers to the smell. So there is no ghee, there is nothing. It's just simply the smell of the rice. I'm Niyaz, so I'm kind of associated with this community possibly 8-9 years.
Okay.
Right. I just randomly came in as a tourist. I got acquainted with one of the guy over here, and then I become a regular visitor at this place. So there is this beautiful thing that happens over here, which is called as a harvest, right? So in the harvest, what happens, like all the people in the village kind of stay awake at night. So the youngsters stay awake at night, and the old people just stay in the daytime, just to drive off the elephants from the forest.
Night, the farmers are the sleepless in the night, and watching to elephant and pig as well as deer come to our paddy field and already destroyed. So all the gents peoples are not sleeping. There are the watching tower there. The
So they
surrounding
have like
the
machans built all over the space.
Ermadam. No, not only Ermadam, 3 types of the madams there. Kaval watching house. The Adipan, that means slow there. The Kaval madam. Kaval means not up to and the middle. And the air madam. It is the biggest top of the bamboo as well as the trees.
So at the night, what happens? Like, they just like put up these beer bottles on the side of the. There's a fencing, but then fencing really doesn't work much because they just break it up. So there's like they have these beer bottles been hung up, and so they just like clang with each other. They clang with each other, and the moment they just hear the sound, they just like drive the elephant. So they have got different kinds of what do you say, arrows and.
Yes, my own tree heart. Okay.
Your own.
The side of the river. It is we can get to the photos in the harvesting shrine.
Wow.
It's the tribal people. They're on the dress code. Look at that.
Which tribe it is?
The 4 tribals there. One is the Adia, Pania, Katnaika, and Uradis. The major is the Adia. Adia is the most populated in this village. This village is surrounded by the forest. 4 sides are the forest.
And Chetam belongs to what?
Chetty community.
So Chetty community is like kind of in the elite within the space, So even like when we just talk about the Kuricha tribe. So Kuricha tribe is the one who just like fought along with
It's the
Parshiraj,
orchid, wild orchid.
to just like drive away
We get to the photos from the
Tipu Sultan, right? So that is how Sultan Battery is all about, right? So because they were like good at like forest hunting because they could use bows and arrows and stuff. They are like basically like the guerrilla war kind of a stuff which happens in Vietnam, right? They are like very much used to the forest space. So for that regard, like what happened is like the king asked the community like whether you can help us out, and they kind of helped them out. And in return, what they did is like they just like gave them so much of land, right? And they asked them to just like start farming. So when you look at the Kuricha community, the beautiful thing about the Kuricha community is like they just don't stay apart. So it will be like one big house and one big kitchen. and all the people just like dwells together. So if at all one guy marries from the outer side or the outer class, they are out of the whole community. They've been driven out. And there is this problem called as sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia is because they just like end up marrying within the same genetical community. So they have sickle cell anemia. So government is kind of trying to encouraging not to do that, but then this is what the thing is like, because we in this modern society, we literally look for like, Nair to Nair, this to this and that to that and everything, right? So yeah, so this is the whole space that way. So there are many tribal community, right? So the best thing about this place is they are all in sync. So what you talk about when you just say they are all in sync, that is like the Katanaika is the people who just like go to the forest, right? They are the one who forge honey, wild honey. So they are not into paddy field cultivation because they don't know anything about it, right? They are better on with the forest spaces. Forest space. So what they do is like they just collect the honey, they come over here, and then the people who kind of cultivate. So he's Chetia, right? He belongs to the community called as Chetia, who is like into farming, So there is this indigenous variety of rice which is called as Gandagashala, right? And why Gandagashala? Because that has been proven and tested within the space. So when you just talk about any other hybrid varieties, what happens like there is no seeds. You have to get the seeds from the seed bank. So there is something called as Food Foundation and genomes and blah 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 stuff. That is like because they know, the US know that okay fine, the next big thing is rice. They have the whole right on wheat now because there's a mass production. The major producers of wheat in the world, right? So now they're just like grabbing all the indigenous varieties of rice from around the world, and they're kind of making it as a hybrid, and they just sell it to through the seed bank. And when you sell it to the seed bank, what happens? They can just like do what they can have fertilizers going along with the other stuff going along with pesticides going along with because they need it, right? So that is a huge corporate thing that controlled that we call it as food incorporated, because now food is now more something that we just eat, but it's more about a big company rounding up. So this community or this space which is called as Chegadi,
Chegadi is
that is
96% of the people belong to tribals. Only 4% of the general it's a migrate from the
Karnataka side. So Bawali is on the other side. So they migrated over here. And now the best thing about this place is Kerala has declared this place as one of the responsible tourism destination. The responsible tourism is basically whatever the tourism happens that has to be benefited to the community. And they don't want to revive it in any other form, as in like a lot of concrete buildings, and so they really want to just like showcase what exactly is happening within the space. What are the tubers they get. So during the season, they just kind of according to the season they just change the change the cultivation. Right now, for some time it will be like legumes, and basically nitrogen fixing bacteria and blah 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 stuff. Right, when it comes to farming, so they have manures. So they use the manures from their cows. So there is like they herd cows and goats and stuff. So that is being used within the space, and very minimal usage of pesticides and stuff. But then there are why there are is for the reason that why, because they just cannot sustain. Because when you just have 1 acre of land and then you have this indigenous variety of rice which has been put up, that might only give him 1 quintal of rice, let's say. Right, but in the other thing, if he just gets a hybrid variety, he can make 2 to 3 to 4 quintals of rice. So now what happens is this guy is looking up to him, and he made so much of money, but he didn't make it. Slowly he will stop the whole thing. And then what happens is he will stop the whole thing, and then the other thing will take up. And when the other thing takes up, automatically what happens, there will be like a space where you'll be selling fertilizers and pesticides. And that again turn into as something called as micropoisoning. Why? Because these people you serve out the fertilizers and everything, but they don't know how to use it. They never read what is, there is a poison sign on it, but they don't read it. Right? And they just simply even they just take the pesticide like this and they just put it in the water with the hands, and then they spray it. They don't use a mask. And so anywhere when you just look it into Wayanad, you can see there is more dialysis centers in Wayanad. anything around 4,000 fine just because of micropoison. So the new generation, the new the new generation which has become up, every kid's almost like 10 out of like 1 out of 1 to 5, 3 out of most of the kids are having kidney problems. They have heart ailments, right? They have Down syndrome because the mothers are the one who's like explicit farmers, right? They just use this space. So the idea of us is simply that. Kind of put this one to the upfront to the people who's visiting Wayanad. Because most of the people come to Wayanad, they really doesn't know the story of Wayanad. So the Wayanad is not simply about what, like all these resorts and the new spaces. Because we are all, even including me, right? I migrated out. I came down from the lower lands, came up over here, and then what I did is I just set up these things, and then I bring in people, and then I just talk about my thing, go to Banasura Dam, okay, go to Pokotli, there is giant swing, go to this place, there is zip line. So that's all the things that has been, the urban space, the people from the urban space who's coming over here, has been said and done. Exactly. Just for the reason that they just check into the hotel, they just come over, yeah, wow, this is my home now for 3 days, or 4 days, or 5 days. And other than that, then what we provide is basically, okay, now what do we do? So they just okay, fine, go to this space. So as they are in that space, what they do is just to kill the time, because they are now here, they don't want to sit in the hotel for a long time, let's just get out. So they just end up at all these tourism destinations. And when the government also you're talking about, they only promote those kind of things. Now Kerala is big adventure space. Adventure tourism is big. Now, but then when you look at from people coming down from Delhi, they just literally can go to Manali or Uttarakhand or something, and they have all these beautiful longer zip lines and bungee jumping and that and this and that, right? So that is not the people who have to be selling over here. So this is the whole idea that we kind of curated this program where the people can come down over here. They indulge hands-on, with the community. It just changes every season. So this season it is entirely different. Now with the harvest season just finished. Okay.
Take it.
So the harvest season is just finished, and now they'll start planting up legumes. And then that is again there is two cycles of harvest, where it's when where they put in Gandhakashala. So all those things, and then the other one is out of all the rivers that flows from the from west to east, the Kabani is the one which flows the other direction, right? And Kabani is the main source of water to these whole spaces. So when you just cross across, that is the Kabani river. So that is what they rely on for water and everything, right? And again, the forest space. So there is also this whole beautiful thing about the human-animal conflict, right? So now that is what is happening in Wayanad. Some days back, somebody got killed, and then there was this major problem. But when you really take this community, they're all used to it. They know how to be in the space. They know how to coexist. Got it. Right? Whereas, when we just come with the tourists, and the tourists are not being informed how they live. The tourists are not being told, what is the space is all about. So this is the whole idea. We just want to take you through what exactly happens in the space. So it will be like a day program where we just pick up from the hotel in the morning, and then come by, and then we provide them some drink, and then we just go around. So there are beautiful 200-year-old, 300-year-old houses.
The mud
Far
house.
it is here from to Coorg.
To?
Coorg.
I think it's closer. Coorgil ke through ഉണ്ടാവും.
Kabani is nearby.
Okay,
Yes, this is
yes,
a
from
Kabani
the side of our
Not
village.
even 80 kilometers.
Yeah, 80-85
Because from
kilometers.
What is the
Madikeri-
distance from Coorg?
Oh. 25
kilometer border.
വരുമ്പോൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചില്ല. So we just do that, and then we'll come back, and then we have food. Yeah, beautiful.
നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ട് ഞാനേ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാം. ആരെങ്കിലും ചോദിച്ചാൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് കേണി എന്ന് പറയും. അതായത് സാധാരണ വയനാട്ടിലെ എല്ലാ ഭാഗത്തും നൂറ്റാണ്ടുകൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് വെള്ളം സെർവ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നതും അതൊരു ഉറവയുടെ സ്ഥലത്താണ് അവർ കുഴിച്ചിടുക. ഇതിനാകെ 3 അടി താഴ്ച 3 അടി വീതിയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കൂ, ഓവർഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? എപ്പോൾ ഈ 3 ആളുകൾക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ വെള്ളം മറിച്ച് കളയാതെ മറിച്ച് അപ്പം തന്നെ 5 മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് തിരിച്ചു വരും. അത്രയും പ്യൂറാണ്. മിനറൽ വാട്ടറാണ്. മിനറൽ വാട്ടർ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇടയ്ക്ക് കുമളകൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പൊന്തും. ഒരു വെള്ളത്തിൽ മിനറൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ വെള്ളം ഇങ്ങനെ കുമളയായിട്ട് പൊന്തുക. നോക്കൂ, അവർ വെച്ചേക്കുന്ന പാത്രം നോക്കൂ, നമുക്ക് വെള്ളം എടുക്കാനുള്ള പാത്രമാണ്. അല്ല അവരെടുത്ത് വെച്ചേക്കുന്നതാണ്. ഇതിന് നമുക്ക് വെള്ളം കോരാം, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഇവിടെ തുപ്പാൻ പാടില്ല, അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നുമല്ല. എന്നും രാവിലെ 2 സ്ത്രീകൾ വന്നിട്ട് സ്ലീപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. അതിനിവിടെ ചൂലുണ്ടാവും. അതെന്നും രാവിലെ ആദ്യം. അതുപോലെ അയിത്തം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, അയിത്തം പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവരുടെ പീരീഡ് അന്ന് ഇല്ല, മരിച്ച വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് 15 ദിവസത്തേക്ക് അവർ വരില്ല. അവർക്ക് വെള്ളം വേണമെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ ദൂരെ നിൽക്കും.
So they are giving all the respect.
All the respect. As they consider the water is a god.
Okay.
They serve with the not allowed to wearing chappals, and the our local bodies promise to the interlock as well as the concrete. Not they are not allowed.
Okay, very good. കാരണം ഇത് വെള്ളം കുടിക്കാൻ കിട്ടുമോ?
He told me everything in that. Entire village is drinking this water.
Very pure. And when you talk about water, summer season, not already we get this sufficient water. രാവിലെ വരെ ആരാണോ ആദ്യം വരുന്നത്, അതിന് ഇതൊന്നുമില്ല, നിയമിച്ചിട്ടൊന്നുമില്ല. ആരാണോ ആദ്യം വരുന്നത് കോളേജിൽ നിന്ന് ആളുകൾ വരുന്നത്. അതിൽ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് വെച്ചാൽ വിവാഹം കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്ത്രീ ചെയ്യേണ്ട വെച്ചാൽ വിവാഹ ഡ്രസ്സോട് കൂടി വന്നിട്ട് ഒരു കുടം വെള്ളം വീട്ടിലെത്തി. അത് ആചാരമാക്കി അവർ മാറ്റിയേക്കാണ്. അത് മാത്രമല്ല ഇവർ പൂജ കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒരു കൊല്ലത്തിൽ ഒരിക്കലും ഒരു പൂജയുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ.
Yeah, so basically this space, right? I mean the one that with the slurry mud, this one. So that is called as a salt lick. So salt lick, what is salt lick is basically that is the mineral and calcium and all those vitamin deposits in the ground. Right, so now what we do when we have like the vitamin B12 deficiency, we go into the market, we get the tablet and we pop it in. Right, now what happens with that one is like our body is not ready.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കിയോ? സാറേ സാറേ
Our own pudina and our own coconut, all the base. The ingredients are.
നിങ്ങളെന്താ ഇരിക്കാത്തത്?
It is the pumpkin.
ചിക്കൻ.
Bitter gourd.
No.
Bitter gourd.
ചിക്കൻ.
Then this is pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yes.
ചമ്മന്തി.
ഇത്
Pudina chamandi.
ചിക്കൻ.
Delhi pudina chamandi. Bitter gourd.
Kanji.
കുളക്കേശ്ശി.
Kulakasia.
Colocasia seeds. The seeds colocasia seeds are like tapioca. Just taste one.
So it's a tuber basically.
Tuber.
Colocasia seeds.
അടുത്തത് ഗന്ധകശാല റൈസ്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ കുടിക്കുന്നില്ല, ഇങ്ങനെ കുടിക്കുന്നില്ല.
Gandhakashala porridge. So the one that they had before was the rice, and this is the porridge. It's like anything around 400 to 500 years old. What do you say for that? Genome. No, the endemic genome. That is what it called as the Gandhakashala rice. Chori neednam. Chori neednam.
Yes, thank you.
It's okay. Even if something is going to be wrong, it's okay. That's sweet, huh?
No.
Not seeds.
It's like normally with the same rice, but then you can have it with any vegetables. So this is otada and made from the firewood charcoal. So you kind of like like you just have a lid which is made out of clay. So you actually put it in the charcoal and then you heat it up, and you put the other one on the batter on the other one, and then you cover it with that the one which has been put in the charcoal. So it just gets steamed from both sides.
We can
So
see the
we can just show you the demo anyway.
വെജ് വെജ്
Yes, it's completely veg. It's completely veg.
അത് ഞാൻ തീരെ ചുട്ടതാ.
അതെ,
ഏത്
ഈ പഴം, നേന്ത്രപ്പഴം, ചുട്ടപ്പഴം.
എന്നാ നോക്കാം.
എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് കൊണ്ട് ഇതാക്കുക ചേട്ടാ.
നല്ല കൊമ്പ